hey there folks, my name's Farrell. I'm Shopcat Industries. I'm up here in Canada. I've got this little Jeep Patriot here and I've been fitting it out with AUXITO LEDs and they've been great. And I have these rock lights to fit. Now rock lights, of course, if you have a great big jacked up chromed out full-size 4x4 truck and you want to show off that awesome drive line, rock lights are for you. You can stick as many of these as you want underneath and show that off. I don't really have that kind of rig. It's not really lifted at all. I never wash it. It's no show truck. It's built for utility, and so I'm going to use these rock lights in some utilitarian ways just to show you some different ideas. Yeah, you can definitely mount them in your fender wells and they're going to look awesome, but AUXITO has made some nice design touches that you're going to be able to use them in all kinds of applications. So let's take a look. So here's what's going to come in the box. You're going to get 8 of these. It's got a nice die-cast metal housing, a great finish. The lens is plastic, so it's not going to break. It's got 9 little chips in there. I've already tested them out. They're super bright. It's all sealed up with epoxy back here, so you don't have to worry about water getting in. The wiring right there is all sealed up. Nice long pigtail, so you can reach where you need to go. And it's just 2 wires. I mean, it couldn't be easier. They include really nice mounting hardware. This is metric. It's 8.8 grade, so it's proper stuff. Now, some of the applications, maybe you're going to have to provide some different hardware. Of course, they can't provide hardware for every possible situation. Same goes for the mounting gaskets. Now, they've really put some thought into this though, and they've given you as many options as possible. So you can see that it's got a half round section, so you can mount it to a bar. Your light is going to sit here, and the wiring is going to pass through here. Now if you wanted to come out the center, you can run it through that channel. If you want it to come out right where it is, well, that's fine too. If you'd like it to come out the bottom, they give you an option for that. If you want it to come out the side, there's an option for that. One thing that I did find a bit lacking is that there's not really a gasket to mount it to a flat surface, but if you're mounting this to your fender wells, for example, those are plastic. Do you really need a gasket to go between that and your inner fender well? Not really. That's about it. You're going to need to provide your own wiring and your own switch gear. There again, that's going to be to your personal taste. And you know what? If you can't figure out how to install these, to wire them and such, well, maybe bring them to a professional. Okay folks, installation is all finished up. I've put a switch down here on the fender. It's a little bit light from the window to give you the full effect, but well, there you go. I mean, that's going to be pretty convenient for working on this thing. And I do want to put a boot on here just to weatherproof the switch, but that's about it. Awesome. AUXITO LEDs. Check them out. Enter code SHOPCAT, SHOPKAT, at the link, and you'll get 15% off of your order. Thanks for watching.